this is the simplest way to get your skin popping. I'm about to hook you onto something that will change your skin. I was about to say your life, but that's a bit exaggerated. Your skin. So this is for them girls that really don't have the time to put in all their products, or for days where you don't want to like do your full-on routine, or for the beginners that don't think it's necessary to buy all those products I mentioned in the first video. And for them boys too, you can sit down and actually watch this video because this one is going to be top notch for you. So I'm going to be making use of 3 products, just 3, and showing you how to make use of it to achieve the most optimum results.
The ones we keep close, we should never let go. So tell me who you love, baby. Take a moment to unwind, fix yourself and realign yourself with the world, baby. Breathe slow, baby. Yeah.
That's all you need to get started. Make sure to stay consistent and enjoy your skin being properly hydrated and glowing.